Video, we're going to take a look at how you can answer or reject an incoming call on the Samsung Galaxy A15. Okay, so once you receive an incoming call, to answer the call, you can swipe across like this. And to end the call, tap on the red button. To reject an incoming call, you can slide or swipe on the red button across the screen like that. And that will allow you to reject an incoming call. To silence an incoming call without rejecting it, you can press on the volume button up or down. So here, press on the volume button. So that will allow you to quickly silence the call without rejecting it. You can also respond to a call by sending a text message instead of answering the call. So here we swipe up and then you can choose remind me in 1 hour, or if you want to respond with a text, you can use the preset text such as please text me, call you back later, I'll call you back, or you can write a custom message. So in here, so I'll text you in 5 and then tap on send. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.